Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this 4G plus Wi-Fi hotspot dongle from Jio, that how you can easily change the Wi-Fi password of this dongle. If anyone know about the Wi-Fi password of your dongle, then people keep starting connect to your internet and they start using your internet, and then you think that why I told them the Wi-Fi password. Then you can't even say them that don't use my internet, but you can do a thing, that is just change the Wi-Fi password, and that's the solution for that. Now how you can change the Wi-Fi password of this dongle? First of all, keep in mind that if you have this type of dongles, the Wi-Fi password is automatically will be like this. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. And if you want to change, then you don't have to do much more. You have to just go to this IP address that is shown over here, that 192.168.100.1, and go over there, and it will ask you about the username and password. That is by default is in small letters, that is admin and admin in username and password. So after that you have to log in over there and click on the Wi-Fi option. When you click on the Wi-Fi option, you will see many options like that. SSID, you can change the name of Wi-Fi, that is SSID, and below over there you will find the password, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. You have to edit that password and enter your own password, and after entering the password, just click on save button. It will start saving your details, and in few minutes or few seconds or a few time, it just change the Wi-Fi password. That's the process how you can easily change the Wi-Fi password of your 4G plus Wi-Fi hotspot router or dongle. If you like this video about this, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for getting more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.